हेलो हाय एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक आज फिर आपका स्वागत करता हूँ गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील में। आई होप सब लोग सेफ होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे एंड थैंक यू सो मच सबसे पहले तो आप सब लोगों को फॉर लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग अवर माई शॉप डील यूट्यूब चैनल टू द ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. The queries have come up to the great extent. The more people are discussing their queries, and I'm able to solve most of their queries as fast as possible. So, सबसे पहले तो day by day our channel is increasing. Our most of the clientage are increasing. So this is the advantage which we have currently, and we are just going to take this advantage to the next level day by day. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing the My Shop Deal YouTube channel. It just gives a lot of motivation to make such and such videos more, so that everyone would get the advantage of getting the information faster to that extent. So today I'm unboxing one more project in the Gurgaon reality market from one of the finest commercial developer in the Gurgaon. They have started their journey from the commercial portfolio, and back to back in the last 4-year time duration, they have not only launched the projects but they have delivered the super luxury condominiums on time. So I am today unboxing the things on that behalf. So let me take you to the journey ahead of the brand of that builder. But उन सबसे अंडरस्टैंड करने से पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस विद अगेन द माई शॉप डील वेबसाइट. मैं अंकित मलिक, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील से आपका स्वागत करता हूं. इफ यू आर लुकिंग एनी ऑफ द रेसिडेंशियल, कमर्शियल, अफोर्डेबल, लग्जरी, सुपर लग्जरी ऑफिसेज, रिटेल, anything in the Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR market, in Noida market, Chandigarh market, Gurgaon market, Goa, and Dubai also. So my shop deal takes care 80% of the Gurgaon portfolio, and the rest 20% is segregated between the Faridabad, Noida, Delhi, Chandigarh, Goa, and the Dubai market, which we are catering currently. So you can read our blogs also. You will get all the latest information, what are the things going on in and outs in the Gurgaon market. Our bloggers keeps a very strong information about all the products, all the launches, all the happenings, all the in and outs of the Gurgaon market, of the Gurgaon happenings in the entire scenario, in the entire city. Then you can also contact us along with the live chat, Zoho chat option. You can put your name, your email ID, your contact number, and your message. What's your budget? What are you looking currently? Are you a first-time buyer? Are you looking the commercial? Are you looking the residential? So all this information you can just put it here and just put a inquiry on the Zoho chat, and it will reaches to me and my team member would assist you. Let's meet, let's plan time for a meeting so that I can understand your portfolio, understand your requirement. Let's meet for a cup of coffee and then we can discuss your requirements so that you can able to shortlist the product as per your requirement. We used to take care of all the top-notch brands in the Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR market. So you name a top-notch brands like Godrej, Tata, Experion, Mahindra, Elan, AIPL, all are shortlisted on the brand of My Shop Deal, on the portfolio of My Shop Deal. And once I am satisfied with the product, I am okay with the product, then only I recommend the product to you. So first of all, the product has to be filtered on the certain level of My Shop Deal parameters. If we filter that product, then only we recommend that product to our investors so that you are in the safe hands by default. So this is, let's start the things. अभी बहुत टाइम से जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया गुड़गांव मार्केट के अंदर बैक टू बैक लॉन्चेस आर बीइंग देयर. सो करंटली एक और धमाका हुआ है, एक और बड़ा शानदार लॉन्च हुआ है इन द गुड़गांव कमर्शियल रियलिटी मार्केट ऑफ M3M. सो थोड़ा सा पहले कहते हैं कि मूवी की शुरुआत करने से पहले यू हैव टू अनरिवील द ट्रेलर. So Elan पे I have not made any videos earlier. So I am just telling, starting from this project, I am unboxing all the things of Elan. From this project, I am going backward. So first I make the product video on this project, Elan Empire. And after that, I'll make the journey of the Elan backward, like Elan Paradise, then Elan Epic, which is completely sold out, then Elan Miracle, then Elan Mercado, and then Elan Town Center. So I also unbox all these products of Elan back to back after making this first product video on Elan Empire. So सबसे पहले Elan की अगर हम बात करें तो they have the presence in the Gurgaon market and they have more than 2,500 happy customers. 2.7 million square feet of the projects they have been delivered and under construction. 1,600 crores worth investments they have already been launched in the Gurgaon reality market. One of the successful product from the portfolio of Elan is Elan Epic. It is again one of my favorite project also, because they have one of the fantastic water body at the center, similar to the Hotel Oberoi, where you have the fire flames and everything. They have first in India who experiment with the concept of the water body and the fire in the very premium and top-notch location of Sector 70 in the Gurgaon, surrounded by densely populated gentry of the Tulips, AIPL, Paras Irene, PPTP, Tata Pramanti, and you name it. So it is again one of the super hit successful product. सबसे पहले हम बात करें डिजाइनिंग की और इनके कोलैबोरेशन की. So most of the products of Elan are being designed by UHA London, ACPL. ACPL are the architect which is in the top 10 architect of the world, not in India. So that's you can understand. अगर हम बात करें तो most of the products of Elan has already shortlisted the multiplexes by PVR, and the again experiment which they have done in Elan Epic bring the Ajay Devgan first chain of their multiplexes, NY Cinemas, first time in the Gurgaon market. So that is also the big experiment they have got. They got the best developer of the year and the best launch of the year in their two products in 2019 also. So अगर हम इलान के प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करें, बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा सा एक समझने की कोशिश करें, तो सबसे पहले इलान है ब्रिंग अप देयर प्रोजेक्ट ऑन द सोना रोड, सेक्टर 67 ऑन द सोना रोड, जहां पे यू हैव the Reach commercial, Reach 3 roads is there in sector 70A. Reach का जो आर्या मॉल है उसके ठीक सामने that is another mall which is Elan Town Center. It is ready for possession. They have already been delivered this product. It is on time delivered this product. It's a combination of retail shops, food courts, hypermarkets, supermarkets on the lower ground floor, and the multiplexes based on the entire Sona Road. The first PVR on the Sona Road is of Elan Town Center. So this is one of the successful product. They have already delivered this product on time. This is the first product which they have launched in the Gurgaon on Sona Road in sector 67, surrounded by again the very densely populated area, densely populated gentry, by M3M Merlin, by IREO Victory Valley. Again, it caters the traffic of the Sona Road, mostly the residents which are residing on the Sona Road. So it is again one of the most successful products from the Elan portfolio. Another product, if we are speaking of the location wise, another product they have delivered is bang on sector 80, which is Elan Mercado. That is near to Godrej Frontier, Godrej 101, Godrej Aria, Mapsco, Mount Ville, Bestech, Altura. These are all the products lies in sector 79, which is just a 5-minute distance from this. Again, one of the super luxury commercial brand, high street retail brand on bang on National Highway. So the location of this project is also perfect. It again carry the very strong portfolio of multiplexes by PVR, then a very good hospitality chain of studio apartments, then the retail, food courts, and again, in the basement they have the hypermarket. So it is again a delivered product, OC received, timely delivery, there is no delay in this product, and it is ready for possession. The fit outs, the brands, the leasing is still on in this product. Then let me come to the fourth product of Elan from the Elan portfolio, from the journey of the game changer of Elan portfolio. It is again one of the most prominent project bang on Dwarka Expressway, जहाँ पे आप क्लोज ओवरलीफ का जंक्शन देखते हैं, जिसके ठीक सामने क्रुसमी सिटी वाटरफॉल रेसिडेंसीज है, जो जापानीज अब तक का सबसे सुपर लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट गुड़गांव के अंदर बनने जा रहा है. इसके ठीक सामने वो लोकेशन है. And again, they add a very big catchment of the entire township of Vatika. Again, the entire township of the DLF they cater. Plus the traffic coming on the National Highway on the Dwarka Expressway they will cater, and the nearby gentry they will cater. The best part I like this project is the location, the designing, the construction and delivery on time, and plus the multiplex by the PVR. क्योंकि अगर मल्टीप्लेक्स के अंदर PVR है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आपके सारे ब्रांड्स बैक टू बैक आएंगे. सो ब्रिंगिंग मल्टीप्लेक्सेस टू PVR इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ मेकिंग any of the high street retail commercial a very successful hit, because PVR does not tie up with any of the multiplex so easily, because the team of the PVR does a lot of research in the entire Indian market, and without being failed, not even a single screen of the PVR has been closed till date. This is the record of the PVR. They analyze the gentry, they analyze the nearby people who have the capacity to take care of the multiplexes of PVR, because the fit outs and everything is so long in the PVR, which is of 21 year leasing at least. And the interior designing is also very costly, so that's why the PVR team does a lot of research. It's again is one of the most successful product, which have the clubhouse also, which have the food courts, fine dining restaurants, multiplexes, hypermarkets, retail shops, you name a thing, and they have it in Elan, the miracle. Uske baad they just bring it out to the another product, the another thing which goes it out is Epic. Everyone knows. The launching was grand. The launching was one of the most successful launching, and it is the most advanced stage launching of this product, which they bring all the celebrities on board. Anil Kapoor ji, Salman Khan have come up to inaugurate this luxury retail commercial of Elan Epic. Then Moni Roy, Badshah, all have come together first time in Gurgaon on a single platform to launch this super luxury product. And by the grace of everyone, it's 100% sold out. Nothing, not even a single inch of inventory is left in this product of Elan, the Epic. So its location is also perfect. They again played with the water bodies, with the hanging gardens, with a lot of vertical landscaping, with the floating boxes, floating lifts, and it's again a super hit product from the portfolio of Emaar. After that, they launched another product by the name of Elan Paradise on the Nirvana Country, Sector 50, which is again one of the most primest location, and it is again 80% sold out. And now, after celebrating the success by Emaar team in Dubai, they are back with another bang in the Gurgaon reality market. So, day before yesterday, they received the RERA certificate for the product of Elan Empire. So, unboxing in Sector 66, the Elan Empire. So अगर बैकग्राउंड की बात करें तो बैकग्राउंड इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑफ Elan. Back to back they have delivered, and not only delivered, they have been completed the products on time. So that is the My Shop Deal highly recommended Elan products because it delivers on time by default, and you will get the capital appreciation by default in all of the Elan products which they have launched it earlier, and back to back delivery has happened in the past. So आज हम बात करते हैं एक नए प्रोडक्ट की, which is Elan Epic. And प्रोडक्ट की बात करने से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे लेना चाहूंगा प्रेजेंटेशन में M3M की स्लाइड का बेनिफिट टू अंडरस्टैंड यू, टू शोकेस यू द लोकेशन ऑफ दिस न्यूली लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एमआर. मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि नियर बाई जेंट्री क्या है, नियर बाई पॉपुलेशन क्या है, so that I can take the help of one of the slide of the M3M to showcase the location advantage of this product, because it's very important to understand the location before understanding the product from this thing. So अगर हम गुड़गांव मार्केट की बात करें, so Golf Course Road is one of the most premium location by any of the developer in the current time, and the major share of the Golf Course Road is taken care by the DLF by default. Recently, the Tulip has taken over the Vipul Arohan also on the Golf Course Road, so that is another prominent development from the Sector 59, where the Golf Course Road hit the Golf Course Extension Road. It is all the entire bed of the Golf Course Road, and this is the junction of the Golf Course Extension Road with the Golf Estate Road, M3M Golf Estate Road. This is the corner of where you take the left for the M3M Golf Estate, the super luxury product. They already have the big catchments like M3M IFC, which is the tallest office space tower on the Golf Course Extension Road, then M3M Cosmopolitan. अगर हम बात करें, then we have AIPL Joy Central, we have AIPL Joy Gallery, then we have AIPL Joy Street plus M3M Urbana, M3M Urbana Business Park, then we have M3M T Point, then we have the Space Corporate Park also in the same level. So this area, the location Sector 66, is highly surrounded by the top-notch gentry which are living in the nearby vicinity. You can take up Palm Drive, you can take up example of Nirvana Country, you can take up example of IDEO Victory Valley, you can take up example of M3M Merlin, M3M Latitude, M3M Golf Estate, MR, super luxury products. So all are Trump Tower, which will also hand over possession within 2 years, 2.5 year time duration. So this is the catchment of this area of Sector 66 location. How can I forget MR Marvella Villas? That starts from 5.5 CR and ranges to 8.5 CR. Plus, AIPL recently launched the office spaces AIPL Autograph just in the same locality in same Sector 66 area. So, अगर हम बात करें ऑफिस स्पेस की क्राउड की, एक तो लोकेशन बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, प्लस M3M अर्बाना बिजनेस पार्क में डिलॉयट और हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स ने पूरी की पूरी बिल्डिंग्स ले ली है. उसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें नियर बाई कैचमेंट की, तो AIPL ऑटोग्राफ विच इज द ऑफिस स्पेस बिल्डिंग इन AIPL जॉय सेंट्रल, AIPL Statement, which is again the office space building in AIPL Joy Gallery. This is again the big catchment of the office spaces which need a very fine dining area and a super luxury brand of the retail to do the shopping. So अगर हम nearby commercials office spaces की बात करें जो इलान एम्पायर कैटर करेगा, सो M3M अर्बाना बिजनेस पार्क ये कैटर करेगा, AIPL ऑटोग्राफ ये कैटर करेगा, AIPL जॉय गैलरी ये कैटर करेगा, स्टेटमेंट के जो ऑफिस स्पेस है उनको कैटर करेगा, और स्पेस के बिजनेस पार्क को ये कैटर करेगा. So this is the catchment which is in the commercial office spaces in Elan Empire vicinity. अगर हम रेसिडेंशियल की बात करें तो IDEO Victory Valley, IDEO Scion, then M3M Merlin, then your M3M Golf Estate, M3M 65th Avenue, M3M Sky City, M3M Latitude, Trump Tower, and MR Palm Drive, plus Nirvana Country, Traffic. All these are the catchment area of Elan Empire. So I hope the location is very much clear. It has a connectivity directly from the Golf Course Extension Road in front of St. Xavier, in front of DPS, and on the Golf Estate Road, it is exactly in front of your M3M Golf Estate, which is one of the super luxury townships from the MR portfolio in the Gurgaon reality. So I hope the location is pretty much clear to you. Now let me come to the configuration of the product, how this product exactly looks about, so that you can understand. I've already told you that Elan has already made the products back to back, and they have delivered the products also on time. So Elan has delivered the product, which is Town Center in Sector 67 on the Sona Road. Then they have delivered the product Elan Mercado, which is in Sector 80, again on the National Highway. Then again Elan Miracle, which is on Sector 84, that is again on the Dwarka Expressway. Then Elan Epic, that is again on 60-meter wide road, 84-meter wide road connected from Golf Course Extension Road to Southern Periphery Road. And this is the another product, which is M3M Golf Estate Road in front of M3M Golf Estate in Sector 66, Gurgaon. So unboxing the product, this is the facade of the project, which is by the Elan Empire. They have -2 level of basement, they have lower ground floor, they have the ground floor of double height, then they have the first floor. So lower ground floor and first floor would be dedicated to retail. Second floor would be dedicated to food court, restaurants and all. And above that you have the office spaces till 9th floor. So this is the product configuration. They have the retail, they have the food court, restaurant, beauties, they have the office spaces, they have the hypermarket at the lower ground level, and they have the product mix. इस तरह के products में super luxury office spaces आते हैं, like co-working. You can take the office pass, or at the executive center, or the WeWork. Such type of office spaces demand such type of area, such type of designing. And again, they played with the vertical landscaping and the water bodies again in this product. Gentry is very good of the catchment vicinity. And अगर हम देखें तो ये project, it is designed by RCOP. So RCOP is the architect of this product, and UHA is again the designing firm which have made this product. It is again a clear-cut golden design in this project. I just resemble it somewhere with M3M Privy. M3M Privy का डिजाइन और Elan Empire का डिजाइन थोड़ा थोड़ा मैच करता है, बिकॉज वहां पे भी गोल्डन कलर की लाइंस को यूज किया गया है टू डिस्प्ले द हाई एंड रिटेल ब्रांड्स, और Elan Empire के अंदर भी गोल्डन कलर की लाइंस को यूज किया गया है. हालांकि द आर्किटेक्ट्स वर डिफरेंट. ऑफ द M3M Privy वर डिजाइन्ड बाय Binoy, and the architect is RCOP and designed UHA Elan Empire. But if you see from outside, somewhere you see the similarity in both these products, because both are the super luxury products in the retail portfolio. This is the internal view of the Elan Empire, which is on the same sector. So you can see the ground floor has a double feet height, then you have the lower ground floor, first floor. So these three floors dedicated for the retail and the supermarket and the hypermarket. The second floor is totally dedicated to your restaurant, dedicated to your food courts, dedicated to your beauty, bars, all those would be there on the second floor. So this is the virtual landscaping they have created. They have created a lot of beautiful sitting areas. They have created a lot of water bodies, lot of vertical landscaping in this project of Elan the Empire. Plus the center area is again very well designed, very well thoughtful for providing a lot of good shopping experience inside this condominium of Elan the Empire. This is the view of the second floor, where you have the fine dining restaurant, where you have the food courts, where you have the beauty, you have the coffee shops also in the second floor, which attracts the center. They have done a very thoughtful thing, because all the crowd from the office spaces third floor above by default comes to the food court to cater their food courts and dining requirement. So it does not cater only the outside traffic, but it also caters the inside traffic of the office spaces, which are from third floor to ninth floor in the Elan Empire. So very smart catchment they have put it done, and by default, if visitors have to come to meet anyone in the office, they will enjoy the food court on the third floor and the second floor onward. So this is again the food court, beautiful dining areas on the second and third floor of the Elan Empire, with a beautiful view of the entire scenic beauty, because after this product there's an entire Aravali belt. So if you are having the fine dining or having a food court on the second floor, you can enjoy the very good brand. Because of the catchment area, you can expect a very high-end brands in the fine dining and in this food court area of the Elan Empire. So अगर हम ये बात करें, so ये ground floor का view आप देख सकते हैं. Double height shop है retails की on the ground floor in this particularly product, and a lot of water bodies, lot of artificial and natural landscape green, lot of greenery they have used inside the product, and this is one of the best part of Elan Empire. So this is the overall review of the product of Elan Empire. Abhi it is currently launched before 2 days. So this is the overall look and feel of the Elan Empire. So अगर मैं बात करूँ नियर बाई कैचमेंट के प्राइस कंपैरिजन की, so नियर बाई एरिया में अगर आप बात करें, so there are certain products like M3M IFC is there, then you have a lot of other products are in there. So if you want me to compare the prices along with the other products in the vicinity, so they have put a very good price on the thing, and plus the inaugural thing is also going on. So you can have the price advantage benefit also in this product. So what are the prices going on? What's the inaugural discount you will get inside this product? So let me share the cost sheet also along with you. अगर हम बात करें लोअर ग्राउंड फ्लोर की, तो लोअर ग्राउंड फ्लोर का करंट रेट है 39,750 एंड ग्राउंड फ्लोर का रेट है 39,750, which is exactly the same. So you get the 5,000 inaugural discount on the lower ground and the ground floor retail shop. So the effective prices comes out to be 34,750 with the 50/50 payment plan and a 12% assured rental. If you would like to buy the first floor shop of the retail shop, the price is 24,750. The 4,000 is the inaugural discount. So the effective prices come out to be 20,750 per square feet. Then the second floor is 18,750. 3,000 inaugural discount you will get on the second floor food court and on the restaurant and on the office spaces. So the ticket sizes, the price of per square feet ranges from 13,750 and it reaches to the ground floor and lower ground floor till 34,750. So the minimum ticket size, if you take a good shop of a good area, so tentatively the ticket size starts from 1 CR onwards on the 50/50 payment plan, and whatever the 50% payment plan you pay, you will get the 12% rental on that. So this is a very good time to invest in such a wonderful product from the portfolio of Emaar. I will also shoot another video to show you the exact and actual location of this project of Elan the Empire. So you will get the exact feeling of the product, that how this product exactly looks like. So this is the overall look and feel of the entire project. According to my shop deal, I will like to give it a 4-star rating to this product. Number one, I would like to give it a very good location connected with 84-meter road. Number two, I would like to give it a very thoughtful design of the combination of retail, food courts, hypermarket, and the office spaces is cherry on the cake, because it will made a super hit of the restaurants and the fine dining, along with the people come in the shopping inside the mall of Elan High Street, Elan Empire. So this is the design or facade of the project, designed by RCOP and UHA London. It's the well-known architect they have shortlisted. RCOP and UHA are the super architects across the globe. So whosoever goes across in front of this high street retail of Elan Empire cannot ignore this is what. So according to me, this is a wonderful product to invest. If you like to know more about this product, please contact my shop deal. I'm there to guide you throughout the journey of this product. We can have a discussion about the project, about the location, about the portfolio that matches your requirement, and on the basis of which you can take your decision for buying this product. So this side, Ankit Malik signing off from this entire description. Hope everyone liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as I made the more videos. And please call on the number given below if you would like to inquire more about this project. Just stay safe, stay happy, stay wealthy, and we'll meet you soon in my another videos. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my Shop Deal channel. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.